Chemistry Guest 10th Class 2023 according to new scheme Understanding and Application Base. Understanding Base 35% included in chemistry paper. Question 1. Why reversible reaction never completed? 2. Why the amount of reactants and products do not change in a reversible reaction? 3. Why BF3 behaves as a Lewis acid? 4. Why pure water is not a strong electrolyte? 5. Why ionic product constant of water is temperature dependent? 6. Define hyperacidity. 7. How conjugate acids and conjugate bases are formed. 8. What is indicator? Give 2 examples. 9. Why and how carbon complete. 10. Why are hydrocarbons considered as parent organic compounds? 11. Plants are source of oils. Justify. 12. Why does acid rain damage buildings? 13. How is acid rain produced? 14. Comment burning in open air is preferred. 15. Point out 2 properties of water that make it an excellent solvent. 16. Which salt are responsible for hardness of water? 17. How decaying plants consume oxygen? 18. What do you mean by anode mud? 19. Why is lime added in the smelting process? 20. Why a small amount of coke is required in the smelting process? 21. How is slag formed during smelting? Application based questions included 15% in the paper. Question number 1. Why the extent of a reaction can be predicted. 2. Differentiate between P and pH. 3. How will you justify salts are neutral compounds? 4. What is coke? For what purpose it is used? 5. Which is the best quality of coal? 6. What is destructive distillation? 7. How is an alcohol tested? 8. How can you prepare propene from propyl alcohol? 9. Write the formula of oxalic acid. 10. What is the difference between glycol and glyoxal? 11. Which elements are found in protein? 12. How are amino acids bonded with each other? 13. Why are plants dying day by day? Comment. 14. How is aquatic life affected by acid rain? 15. Why is the flood risks are increasing? 16. Why is the use of detergent increasing day by day? 17. How does water used as cleaning agent in industries causes pollution? 18. What is dysentery? 19. Which raw material are required for formation of sodium carbonate? 20. Give the reaction of formation of ammonia in the process. 21. How many stages are involved in the formation of urea? 22. In how many fractions crude oil is separated? Thank you for watching and good luck to all of you for tomorrow paper.